Welcome. See this sum. Q is as much younger than R as he is older than T. If the sum of the ages of R and T is 50 years, what is definitely the difference between R and Q's age? So from the given information, how we proceed first? Q is as much younger than R. That means Q is as much younger than R. That means R is older than Q. So we can say R minus Q is the difference of their age. As he is older than T, so Q is older than T. Q minus T, and these two are equal as he is. So these two are equal. Next, what is said? If the sum of the ages of R and T is 50 years, so R plus T equals to 50. Now what we have to find the difference between R and Q. Let us see what is coming. That is R plus T equals to 2Q. Now here it is given R plus T is 50. That means 2Q equals to 50. From here we can say Q is 25. 50 by 2 is 25. Now what else we are knowing about R and T? No other information is provided. And options, these are the options given. We have to find the difference between R and Q is ages. We are in Q is 25. So R may be 30, T may be 20. So to make it 50, R may be 40, T may be 10. Which will satisfy all these conditions. So R and T may have different ages and no further information is provided. So we cannot come to any conclusion. So we will say the data is inadequate. Before taking this type of options, see very carefully if any further clue is there or not. In this sum, you cannot find any further clue. So without any hesitation, we will say the data is inadequate. Now see this sum. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Ronnie. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronnie's age. After further 8 years, how many times would be he be of Ronnie's age? That we have to find. Let us assume father's age is F, Ronnie's age is R. It is easy to do in that way. So father's age equals to 3 times more than his son Ronnie. See here carefully. If Ronnie's age is R, so father age is R plus 3R. Don't write it 3R. 3 times more than. Okay. That means this is equals to 4R. Now what happens? After 8 years, father's age will be 8 plus 8 and Ronnie's age will be R plus 8. What is given? This is equals to 2.5 times of Ronnie's age. So into 2.5. These are the things given. Now what we have to find after further 8 years. That means from beginning 16 years. If father's age will be 8 plus 16, would be Ronnie's age. So Ronnie's age will be R plus 16. So from these two we have to find father's and Ronnie's age. Father equals to, if we are putting f equals to 4r, so what we can write? 4r plus 8, and this 2 and half we can make it 5 by 2. So into 2 equals to 5r plus 40, that is 8r plus 16 equals to 5r plus 40. 8r minus 5r will be 3r. 40 minus 16 will be 24. From here r equals to 3. So father equals to 4r, that is this r equals to 8 and father equals to 4r, so 4 into 8 equals to 32. Now we can put it equals to 32 plus 16 by 8 plus 16. It is 48 by 24. So this will be the answer. Actually the sum is given as MCQ. Options are there. I am directly showing you how to do it. Rajan got married 8 years ago. His present age is 6 by 5 times his age at the time of his marriage. Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. The age of Rajan's sister is. See this type of sums, read the sum carefully. So after 8 years, his age becomes 6 by 5 times. So how much it is increased? 6 by 5 minus 1, you can do it mentally, equals to 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 times age increased in 8 years. So the whole thing is 1 by 5 times it is increased in 8 years. So 1 by 5 times of its age during marriage is 8 years. 1 by 5 times. So his age was equals to 8 into 5. That means 40. This was his age during his marriage. Now, what happens? Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. So at the time of his marriage, sister's age was how much? You need not require to write also. 40 minus 10, 30. You can do all these things mentally. Now, what is the age of Rajan's sister? That means present age of Rajan's sister. So it was 30. Now it was during marriage. So his present age is 8 years increased. Because Rajan got married 8 years ago. 8 years ago sister's age was 30. So present age will be 30 plus 8 equals to 38. You can do this complete sum in mentally. I am just showing how to do this type of sums. A person was asked to state his age in years. His reply was, take my age 3 years hence, multiply it by 3 and then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago, and you will know how old I am. What was the age of the person? See these sums how to do. Let us assume person's age is X. His reply was, take my age 3 years hence. So his age 3 years then will be X plus 3. Multiply it by 3. And then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. 3 times my age 3 years ago. And we will know how old I am. That is x. See, the main thing is to form this equation. Getting it? From this statement, we have to form this equation. So from here nothing is there. 3x plus 9 minus 3x plus 9 equals to x plus 3x minus 3x. So 9 plus 9, 18 x. So his age is 18 years. See this sum. The age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. 10 years hence, father's age will be twice that of his son. The ratio of their present ages. Let us assume father's age is x, son's age is s. It is easy to do. So 10 years ago, father's age was 8 minus 10. Son's present age is a. So his age was s minus 10. Father's age was thrice the age of his son. So this one equals to 3 times this one. And 10 years hence means 8 plus 10. Father's age will be twice that of his son, equals to 2 into s plus 10. To find the ratio of their present ages. That means we have to find f by s. So from here, if we are putting that one, 8 plus 10 equals to 2 into s plus 10. If we are subtracting these two, then what we are getting? Minus 20 equals to, this is 3s minus 30 minus 2s minus 20. That is 3s minus 2s is s, and minus 30 minus 20 minus 50. If it is going this side, 50 minus 20, 30. You are getting s equals to 30. So find it by putting here 8 plus 10 equals to s is 30 plus 10, 40 into 2, 80. So 8 equals to 70. So put it 70. So the ratio becomes 7:3. These actually MCQ sums. I am not writing the options. I am showing how to do it. Thank you. I hope I can able to explain how to do sums. Sums are not